This is Penny with Penny's Infinite Jewelry. And of course, we love all things jewelry, but who likes a mystery box? So exciting. It feels like Christmas. This is another one of the 24 scarves for $16 from Thredup. Yesterday, I did a clothing box from the Goodwill Blue Box. I'm going to try to snag, if I can, a Shop My Goodwill jewelry box so we can open that and see what's good on that. I'm going to try to get some more mystery jewelry. I did get to snag, Annie's one up here with me. I did get to snag 2 of the blue boxes last night, but within 1 minute, they were sold out, and within like 6 after, everything was sold out. But I was able, I used Apple Pay this time. Usually it's saying, we're sending you a code, please put this code in, and yada, 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 yada. And by the time you do all that, you even have it in your cart and it's sold out. I don't see how they can sell something out when it's in your cart. This is my other thing about the blue boxes. I'm not quite sure how the Goodwill does it. If they have like, okay, we're going to only sell 2,000 blue boxes tonight, or 1,000 blue boxes. Because doesn't the Goodwills have like, probably, I don't know, I'm thinking a dump truck, probably more than that. Loads of jewelry just sitting in their shops. And I don't see if they could just sell as many as they want to. And then, if it were me, and then fill those requests. If I can sell 5,000 and just hire a couple extra help, because you know that every single Goodwill gets piles and piles and piles of state jewelry. That's my Penny's opinion. Okay, let's get into this new scarf box. I've got my scissors, and I'm fixing to... And I had ankle surgery a couple weeks ago, and I think this is my 3rd. I don't even know. I've lost what time it is. I've been in bed for about 3 weeks, and so that's why my hair is growing out. I am allowing my gray to grow. This is going to be a transformation on this channel. If you're watching me, I would like to go get my hair, some of this cut shorter. But I am letting my gray grow. I'm going to allow you to watch. You are going to be allowed to watch my gray grow on here. Okay, I don't edit anything, and I don't like putting fancy stuff in here. So this is just me, and sorry, I don't edit anything. Okay, so here's the, this is our logo, our signature box with all the... And look, they're all in that too. It looks like somebody took time to lay the tissue paper in there and then fill it. Okay, here's the scarves. Here's the box. This is what it looks like. And I've already posted, I don't know how many, my first box. I've already sold 1 scarf for $10 on Poshmark today. So I made $7 from 1 scarf. I'm only giving $20 a box. So I think I'm going to make my money back, and plus it gives me good content to show y'all because we all like to see mystery boxes. Okay, I'm going to have to wear my handy dandy readers. All right, are you ready? So this is a milkmaid scarf. And like I said, you could sit, this is really nice. It's a perfect, almost a perfect square. That, you know what I think that is? Milkmaid goods. I'm wondering if that's not a baby blanket, which could very well be used for that, or a nursing cover-up or something, because it doesn't really, I've never seen big square scarves. This looks like, what colors are these? Is it Seminoles? I'm not sure. It looks like the Seminoles, but it's 100% acrylic. That is really nice. That is a nice scarf right there. If you like these scarf unboxings, just let me know, and I will buy more scarves. If you want to see the clothing boxes, if you want to see more jewelry, just comment below on what you would like to see. This is just a thin scarf. Now, this is what we call, remember what we call this? An infinity scarf. because it is a perfect circle. And you can wear these in so many different ways. And if you want to go to, I think it's my Poshmark closet, I have all my scarves up in there. And you can see all the different ways to wear the scarves. Another infinity. So comment below, share. J. Jill. You know, I think I was talking about anything with a name is good. But this is a good scarf box this time. I've got 7 subscribers. Please help me build my channel and the community. And share, 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 share. What I'm doing now is I'm taking a course on how to build another one of those pashmina. This is the 3rd pashmina that I have. And that's some kind of goat. It's pashmina and silk. So I'm going to at least put 25 bucks on that one because this is a really good box. Really good box. What was I saying before? Charmin Charlie. Charmin Charlie. About the Thredup boxes. They sell out. They sell more than just this. And maybe this week I'll try to snag some jewelry and maybe a jeans box or something on the blue box so we can see other things from the Goodwill blue box. We seen the clothing yesterday. This looks like a knitted. Not quite that's crocheted, but it's really nice. It's got the black, bunch of the earth tones, neutrals. Really nice. No name, but that's cute. Nothing's had holes so far. Pretty good brands. It looks like somebody took time to wrap them. So I'm on a jewelry group, and the other day a lady said that she found a jelly bean in her box from the Goodwill. She said, well, I guess somebody was just hungry whenever they loaded this blue box up. Comment below what the funniest thing is you've ever found in a mystery box. I want to hear it. That's got no name, but it's almost feels like linen, but I'm not sure. Okay. Goodness. All right. This is a purple scarf. And I'm sitting in my bed, and hopefully I've got a whole entire room that's just my eBay room. And hopefully pretty soon, when I get to a couple weeks from now, I'll be able to get back in there and set up a place to do this. So I'm not just sitting on my bed. Okay, so this is a really nice, you know, I haven't seen any runs or anything in this box of scarves. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at my bangs are getting too long. I hadn't even been to get my hair cut in a while. Okay, this looks more like a shawl because it's made. I mean, I'm sure it's a scarf, but it could also be a nice shawl. See I don't know that. I would just say it's V design, what that design name is, but that's really nice. I would even love to put this on the back of my couch, like on the back of your couch. You don't have to use these for scarves. You could actually sell these for other things. You could say, I could put this up. There's no name on it or anything. Put it for couch cover or something. I keep seeing this one, and I'm fixing to grab it. I'm fixing to unroll it, and I'm going to grab it. Okay, this is an infinity scarf, and it's Old Navy. It's a solid, it's beautiful, and it honestly looks like it could even go into the spring, which I know people don't want to wear scarves this thick probably in the spring, but if they work in an office or something, I could see somebody wanting something warm and cozy, and plus it's still cold up north. These are the ones I like, and my goal is to find a Hermes, really expensive one day. But these are nice. These are like solid silk. This is silk with this beautiful designs. I love that. I love that kind. I love the silk ones. Ooh, this one's got some tassel balls. Tassel ball. You know what to call that? A beaded tassel ball. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos as much as I'm enjoying doing them. It breaks the monotony of laying here, which I'm not just laying. I'm taking a course on how to do. Oh, this is pretty, 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 pretty. It's African. See it? Look at that. That's beautiful. That is so beautiful. Pretty cool. Got elephants. taking a course on how to make a blog. So I'm going to be working on a blog, teaching about jewelry and other things. This is another one that just looks really big to be a scarf. If this is a perfect square, this is a really big scarf, which I guess it could still be one, but look at that. You know what you could do with that? This is it Charming Charlie? No, it's Halo and Swan. I'm not quite sure that's a scarf, but it may be if you've heard of that. But you could actually put a hem in that and put a curtain rod through that. Make that a little curtain. But that's a big scarf. Let's put it on. Let's see. Let's see. Look how big this is. That's a big scarf. Oh my God. Can't get it off. Okay, here's a green one. And when I see these, it reminds me of Ginger. Look, there's a big old hole in the middle of them. It reminds me of Ginger on Gilligan's Island when she sings, I want to be loved by you. I don't sing. I don't even clap in tune. At church, I'll look around and see what everyone else is at, and they're clapping. I just start clapping with them. Okay, this is a beautiful gold. Feathers by Tolini. And if you know what that is, I've never heard of it. This is a really good scarf box. Like, I could so see me making my money back. And I like doing accessories. I don't know if I'll pick up very many shoes anymore. At the bins, the shoes are expensive. And shoes, to me, that I can get at the bins seem to just sit. I gotta take a drink of my Diet Coke. I like Diet Mountain Dew. But there wasn't any at the store when my hubby went. Okay, this is, what do we call this again? An infinity scarf. You know what you could do if this was wide enough? You could even use it as one of those baby slings or something. I'm trying to come up with other functions and things to use the scarves for. All right, so that's an infinity scarf. Not too impressive. Ooh, I like this one. I still got all the last ones to put on. Now, this looks like a triangle scarf. And you can wear that as a wrap around your shoulders like this. If you got a black dress that's sleeveless, you could wear this to church. You could wear this to work. Wear this on a night out. And that's nice. It's got really neat looking, almost braided tassels on it. I don't see a brand, but yes, I do. This is the brand. All these almost all have brands this time. Eco. All right. And this is, oh, there's a bunch of them in there. All right. This is brand new. This is Infinity Scarf, Fashion with Passion, Lavella. I like that. This is brand new. And if you look back here, it'll show you all the different ways to wear a scarf. Pretty cool. Another silk scarf. I like when I get the silk ones. I will probably snag another scarf box. If y'all are enjoying seeing these scarves and all of my... Oh, that's Jones of New York. And it's silk. I'll tell you, that's silk. And that's made into the material. That tells you something there. That's all out, but nice. If you want me to get another scarf box... That could even be a little table runner. If you had like a little table, but it looks like Burberry. Now, how will we ever know if that's a Burberry? Because there's no tags on it. But it sure does feel good. I haven't seen the first run, the first rip, anything in these scarves. And I like having a lot of one thing in there so people can choose like bundle. So that's just a thin scarf, and you could actually wear that on your head. I guess I could do that to cover my gray when I go out, because I'm trying to grow my gray out, something I've always wanted to do. My mom's 78, and she's just now growing her gray out. She's got like a little bit more dark at the end, and she just kind of inspired me to want to do it. This is pretty. Look at the beading. Look at all that beading on there. It's beautiful. But I like having a lot of one thing in my store instead of having sporadic. Because if somebody wants to go find a scarf they know they can go to Penny's Infinite Jewelry. It's going to be jewelry and more because that's cute. And that's my hometown colors. So that's really cute. You could even take this and tie it around your purse. Like, this is my town's colors. And you could actually tie that on your purse handle. You could wrap it around the purse handle. You could wear it in your hair. There's so many things you can do with this. You could actually make you a mask. All right, last but not least, let's see what this is. It's really nice. I can't wait to put these on. It's just so hard for me now. Eagles Glen. Never heard of that. Is that a vintage name? Cashmere. This is a cashmere scarf. So yes, and it looks brand new because that tag means it's new. It does. Yeah, it smells brand new. I sniff everything. Okay, so this is Penny, and want me to count the scarves back. Penny's Infinite Jewelry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 scarves for $16. It ends up being like 21 with shipping. So go check out my Poshmark closet. I think it's Infinite Jewelry. And go see it'll be in the link below. See how you can wear the different scarves. This is Penny, and I thank you, and I love you. Appreciate you. Share, like, subscribe, and hit that bell.